Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on the channel. Today we'll be talking about the fourth episode on this book called the USBORNE Junior Illustrated Math Dictionary. Let's get started. Okay. Alright, so today we'll be talking about measures. Now, as we remember from measuring, we usually sometimes use rulers to measure straight lines. And also we in certain cases we measure with these triangular rulers, or sometimes even using string to go and find out some stuff that are curved and then measure that string that you just measured with. And that's how literally everything happens in the world of measuring. Measuring gives you all the amount of data that you need and how much you need it. Now, there are different ways that I want to talk about these stuff. First of all, perimeters. What is a perimeter of a 2D shape? The perimeter of a 2D shape is the distance around or on the outline distance of all the outlines of a polygon. Now, when we talk about perimeters of a circle, we usually just say the circumference, not the perimeter of a circle. Okay? And it can work in anything, such as this jetpack that Deadpool is using, or this cylinder that is supposed to be on a Lego Jedi sword. And ow, it is hurting me. And then even this book called Life of Pi, or my Huawei watch. And lots of different more. Even this cube can be made a perimeter. And now the area is how much space it is inside a 2D shape. It can be the easiest. You can easily calculate it in some polygons usually. And this is some of those. Now how to calculate the area of rectangles and squares are multiply length and width. That's the basic way of finding areas of 2D shapes. Now, finding volume is where we add height into this picture. Now, finding the volume of a shape works like this. You just multiply the area of the shape that you normally got by the height, or just height times width times height. And that is how much volume it is. I usually think of it as volume of swimming pools and water. And that is literally how I want to think about liters and volumes, and that's where the kind of units come in, alright? And it is measured by some cubic blocks. Yeah, so that's how it happens. And that's basically it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next episode. Junhan out. Peace!